So I had to go and create a Vista Business installer to install because it's Windows XP Pro, and it failed the first time. So taking out the Bluetooth was the easy part. Ripping out the PowerShell, that was a pain in the butt because it wasn't where it was supposed to be according to all the tech sheets.
Oh my goodness, did I finally get it to take after fighting to get PowerShell removed? We shall see. Look, no more errors. Okay, let's give it a shot. It's copying slowly. Again, it's so incredibly slow.
Then again, it does give you a fair warning. This can take several hours to complete.
Well, it says it's most of the way done. We shall see. What's this after 4 hours? Yes, please. Well, it looks like it made it to that transition, so let's see if we can go further. That's a good sign so far. That's a good sign too. Honestly, how much of this all works, I don't know, but I'm going to try and do what I can. On to the next step. Windows 7 is ready to install. Let's do an upgrade, please. Of course, of course. Now I gotta find that.